For this session, friends, I will need your undivided attention. We are going to learn about polymorphism, an important OOPS concept. So let me share my screen and begin. All right, here we go. Okay. Yeah. All right, first let me create a class in the project. I'm going to add a new class. Let us name it as, say, vehicle, right? It's the automobile industry I'm going to base it on. All right, let's have a class called vehicle. It'll have a few properties. Give it a name, color, and let us say fuel capacity. Well, there can be a lot more properties that are common to any vehicle. So this is going to be my base class or the parent class. And let us say I have two more classes here. Tesla is one of the vehicles. And let us say we have one more here. Jaguar. Okay, these are two vehicles. Okay, now both these vehicles need all these properties, common properties. So I'm going to obviously I'm going to inherit vehicle. So for clear, so both these are inheriting vehicle. And let us say in case of Tesla, there is a discount available. All right, and Jaguar, I don't even want to have a discount method over there. So I will have a common discount method which is applicable generally for the respective classes representing each model of vehicle. So let us have a general one, public void discount. So this is in the parent class. Now, as you know, when Tesla is inheriting vehicles, this discount method is accessible by in Tesla class, in the class Tesla. Similarly with Jaguar as well, you will have the access to the method called discount. Now, let us say this common implementation of discount method will have a console.writeLine. Sorry, no discount for this model of vehicle. That is what by default we're going to put in. And then let's say in case of Tesla alone, there is a discount particular to Tesla. And let us go ahead and put a method here, public void discount. And let us say there is a console.writeLine. Congrats. Tesla offers a discount on confirmed sales until this month end. All right. So that's the method called discount specific to Tesla alone. All right. Now, when I create an instance of Tesla, let us do that in the program.cs. Tesla obj equals new Tesla. Using the name of the the instance name obj, I can access the method inside it called discount. Okay. Now let us just run it and see what exactly we get to see on the screen. Well, it says, congrats, Tesla offers a discount on confirmed sales until this month end. It's working perfectly as expected. So the implementation of the discount method written inside the Tesla class is what is going to be displayed. I'm not going to get the general discount method which is placed inside the parent class. Okay. Now in case of Jaguar, I will have no discount method. All right. But when I create an instance of this, I will have access to the method which is in the parent class, right? So I'm going to create an instance obj1 equals new Jaguar, then obj1 dot discount. See, though there's no method called discount in Jaguar class, it is actually accessing the discount method in the parent class. Now let us see what happens. Well, of course, it is implementing both the methods. That is one for Tesla, the second one for Jaguar, and the second one for Jaguar says no, sorry, no discount for this model of vehicle. So this object dot discount as well as object one dot discount is run, and in case the child class doesn't have a method of its own, the discount method, it is automatically picking the parent class implementation. Now, here if you see, this is so far clear, there is nothing like polymorphism or any such concept used here. It is just an instance of a method. This discount method in Tesla, inside the class Tesla, has a green squiggly line which says that Tesla dot discount hides inherited member vehicle dot discount. Use the new keyword if hiding was intended. Well, hiding is what is intended. I want a specific method implementation. I want a method implementation which is specific to Tesla. That's why I wrote this method over here. So by convention, you have to put new void discount. Okay. Now this is actually meaning that there is a new implementation of the discount. The new implementation is the child class implementation. Well, so that's clear. Now supposing I have multiple I have multiple child classes having their own implementations. Okay, in this scenario, what have we done actually? We have created instances of these two classes separately. So each time, let's say I have 20 models on which I have methods, the classes specific implementation or parent class implementation, then I need to create separate instances of each of these classes, access the discount method, either the parent class method or the child class implementation, and then do it. So that's not the right way of doing it. You should actually be able to do it with just one instance, one object being created. So how do you do that? So let us just create an object of the parent class, vehicle, an array object is what I'm creating. Obj equals new vehicle array, and let us say 2, meaning there are 2 positions in the array. Okay, now just take this off. These are not relevant. So it can take multiple objects inside. So into this obj index position 0, I'm going to assign a new Tesla implementation, which means the class Tesla is implemented at the 0th index of the parent class instance. And in the first, and then at the index number 1 of obj, I'm going to put a new Jaguar. So what have I achieved? I have created instances for these 2 child classes using the parent class object or reference variable. I just made it an array so that I can take both of these instances into the same array in index positions. So this would be a better way of doing it. Same object, different implementations. And this is precisely what is called as polymorphism. So to put the definition, we can put it like this: using parent class reference variable to create child class objects. This is the definition for polymorphism. Okay, now in the 0th index, the method that is there, I'll implement like this: dot discount. And in the first index, I'm going to put obj1 dot discount. So these two method implementations can be done like this. Okay, let us run and see what strange thing happens. It behaves a little differently. If you see now here, for both, it is a parent class implementation that is in place for Tesla as well as Jaguar. Now, however, when we come back here and check under vehicle.cs and look at Tesla, Tesla has its own implementation of discount. There's a new keyword and I'm implementing discount for Tesla separately. However, still, it's only the parent class implementation that is happening. So what happens with this is when you want to use polymorphism, wherein you use the parent class reference variable and create a child class object, it is a parent class reference variable. Therefore, the parent class implementation is what is happening, right? It's a parent class reference variable. Though you have created a new instance of the child class using the parent class object or reference variable. So to circumvent this issue and have the child class implementation if child class method exists, and parent class implementation if the child class doesn't have its own discount method, you have to do a little bit of change here. Okay, here in the parent class, this discount method has to be made virtual. And in the child class, you're going to make it as override. Instead of new keyword, I'm going to use override keyword. So when you say override, the parent class method implementation is overridden. You will have a child class implementation. That is the override that is happening. So just once again, in the parent class, the method should be marked as virtual, and the child class, where the child class has its own method discount, you put an override keyword. And now let us see whether it works as expected. Yes, it's working. And this in short is the concept of polymorphism. The word poly means many, morphosis or morphos is refers to shape, many shape. So that explains polymorphism, and kindly do practice, and practice will make sure that you don't forget. Practice make sure that you become perfect. So don't leave out on that. It's one of the supposedly trickier concepts of OOPS which you have just learned today, and well, that completes polymorphism. Okay, so this is short session. We'll meet again soon. Until then, bye bye.